Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to provide the latest updates on Dogecoin, and in this video we're going to be talking about the two significant catalysts which are shared by the developers that could send Doge prices even higher. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The cost of Dogecoin has increased by 10.82%. As of Friday, June 25th, Dogecoin's cost was 25 cents. And according to information from CoinMarketCap, there is a 24-hour trading volume of $5,469,478,778, with a CoinCap market of $33,354,079,277. Dogecoin's 52-week tall is 74 cents, so it's appropriate that a 52-week low would be 23 thousandths of a cent. It's imperative to also keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices will vary. Also, the prices of cryptocurrency change frequently, so probably by the time you watch this video, it would have changed to a whole new value. Alright, it's no mystery that cryptocurrencies have been encouraging noteworthy volatility in recent weeks. Concerns linger over energy utilization, controls, and the post-pandemic showcase. News that China is further focusing on miners and an uncertain Federal Reserve Assembly this week is not making a difference in things. Like other cryptos, Dogecoin is also feeling the torment of a volatile week. In any case, there's a piece of Dogecoin news that could end up sending Doge prices even higher and possibly recover. At the time of this writing, Dogecoin prices are down about 5% over 24 hours. Trading volume is about 40% over that same period. Dogecoin has overseen to settle above the resistance at 2,250 tenths of a cent and is moving higher as the crypto market tries to proceed with its rebound. It looks that the recent bounce back of Dogecoin was actually driven by those dealers who've held up for a significant pullback to get into new positions. But it still remains to be seen whether or not this interest could end up being adequate enough to push Dogecoin over that 25-cent mark. However, there's one piece of news that is promising. Recently, a blockchain startup called Doge Labs had ended up sharing that it's working on creating a bridge between both Dogecoin and Ethereum. If this happens, Doge holders would have access to ETH-backed decentralized finance solutions and staking programs. More importantly, it appears that this announcement takes after complimentary from Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum co-founder. Doge Labs stated that Buterin said that he is the potential for a Dogecoin to Ethereum bridge as of late. With this in mind, the startup says it's working with a team of developers from Data Syndicate to form this. Dogecoin bulls ought to know that Doge Labs has yet another plan within the works. Agreeing with the same press release, the startup is considering creating a Doge burn wallet. This would permit developers to construct applications on the Dogecoin blockchain and, after that, send a tiny portion of Doge to the burn wallet. In practice, this might address concerns around the inflationary model of Dogecoin. Dogecoin has found support from Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum. Hoskinson said that Dogecoin could be a reasonable target for somebody to settle it up and make it an exciting cryptocurrency. The Dogecoin price did end up going higher by 5% after Musk tweeted, quote, "It's important to support a Dogecoin upgrade proposal to reduce Dogecoin transaction fees." It's something that Musk has previously expressed, as he wants to make Dogecoin the currency of Earth. This proposition to all Dogecoin partners recommends to reduce average fees 100 times for various standard transactions on the Dogecoin chain, split complete control over all perspectives of fees between miners and node operators, depend less on core development, and bring back a functional little fee transaction space that incentivizes keeping the network healthy. Patrick Latter, a Dogecoin core developer that has been involved in the meme coin since 2014, had posted to the Reddit thread specifying the updated proposal. Dogecoin's price explosion this year, up 11,000% on this time 12 months ago, has made a difference revive interest within the stagnating cryptocurrency and led to Sam Bankman-Fried, the billionaire chief executive of crypto exchange FTX, naming Dogecoin as, quote, "the asset of the year for 2020 and 2021. Earlier this month, an Ethereum co-founder who went on to make rival blockchain Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, said he trusts Musk's support and will offer assistance to some quote-unquote real developers come in and start working on Dogecoin to form some utilize and utility. Musk, the self-promoted quote-unquote techno king of Tesla, who was once voted Dogecoin CEO in a tongue-in-cheek Twitter poll, has distanced much of the Bitcoin community with his Dogecoin support in recent months. Numerous Bitcoin investors accept Musk's perky tricks to be damaging to Bitcoin. Whereas Musk has already said all of his Dogecoin-related social media posts shouldn't be taken seriously, he's taken afterthought with plans to, quote, put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon and consistently tweeted in support of the dog meme-based cryptocurrency. In conclusion, what precisely is Doge Labs, and how is this startup working on catalysts that could boost Dogecoin prices? Well, at the start of May, Tanzil Akhtar told CoinDesk that Doge Labs would be providing desk ops for Dogecoin together with AppSwarm. Together, they said their goal was to supply more powerful support for Dogecoin and form a group that could construct apps on the Dogecoin blockchain. It appears then that this most recent news could be a follow-up on a prior declaration. Whereas Dogecoin Labs is drifting thoughts and is still building out its advancement assets, typically something for investors to watch. Doge Labs tries to explore bridging Dogecoin with Ethereum for a host of new DeFi and staking items utilizing the Doge protocol. Doge Labs is exploring, with its developing group of engineers at Data Syndicate, the idea of building a sort of Doge to Ethereum bridge so as to permit Doge holders the ability to share in ETH-based DeFi and staking programs. Recently, Ethereum co-founder Vitek Buterin had talked about a potential collaboration between Ethereum and Dogecoin in a meeting in which he expressed, quote, I think if we can have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be astonishing. And then when Ethereum gets any scalability that works for Ethereum assets, you'll be able to trade swap Doge with exponentially low transaction fees and exceptionally high speed as well. Doge Labs will explore the development of a Doge burn wallet where developers can construct applications that send a little portion of Doge to a public burn wallet in order to help build a deflationary mode around Doge inflationary growth. Tom Bustamante, who is the founder and CEO of AI Ventura Tech in Doge Labs, had commented, quote, we are investigating the thought of wrapping Doge tokens in specialized ERC-20 smart contracts so as to allow Doge to be transferred and utilized on Ethereum-based DeFi and staging platforms. In addition, we arranged to work with other partners on creating a Doge burn wallet where engineers can construct applications that send little amounts of Doge to an open burn wallet on each execution, hence offsetting Doge inflationary's development. This might be one step in giving a deflationary model to Doge inflationary development, and this way increase value for the asset. Elon Musk, the Tesla billionaire, who has also adapted the somewhat satirical Bitcoin rival Dogecoin as his pet project, has once more sent the meme coin to cost sharply higher. The Bitcoin cost was generally uninflated, taking after a tongue-in-cheek attack by Musk on Twitter, where Chief Executive Jack Dorsey's plan was to be able to extend Bitcoin awareness among companies and institutions. However, Dogecoin bounced 20% higher as supporters of the Doge meme-based cryptocurrency cheered Musk's most recent Twitter intervention. Dogecoin has been hit by a broad cryptocurrency market sell-off over the last week, started by fears over a China crackdown on cryptocurrency mining, with Chinese specialists closing down on those who were to secure cryptocurrency blockchains and approve exchanges utilizing high-powered computers. The Dogecoin price is, right now, trading at less than half of its peak at just over 70 cents, stay ahead of Musk's appearance on comedy sketch show Saturday Night Live in May, but has so far managed to hold on most of its eye-watering 2021 gains. Dogecoin has expanded by 10.82% inside the final 24 hours. Generally, its price nowadays is moderately high compared to its 52-week low of 0.23 of a cent. Over the past week, Dogecoin has had a high of 31 cents and a low of 16 cents, and during the past 90 days, this cryptocurrency's cost has crept up overall. Dogecoin had gained strong support near the 1,650 tenth of a cent mark and get over the resistance at 2,250 tenths of a cent. In the case that Dogecoin manages to settle over this level, it's head towards the following resistance level, which could be found at 25 cents. RSI within the moderate region, so there's plenty of room to pick up extra inside momentum case correct analysis merge. On the support side, the past resistance at 2,250 tenths of a cent will serve as the first support level for Dogecoin. A move below this level will end up pushing Dogecoin toward the support at 2,150th of a cent. In case that Dogecoin does settle below this level, its move toward the following support at the later lows at 1,650 tenths of a cent. No material levels were formed between 2,150th of a cent and 1,650th of a cent, so this could be fast. And guys, allow me to remind you that the information provided here in this video is not actual financial advice, and should not be taken seriously for any sort of trading advice or any sort of financial overall general advice. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, so do your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any significant investments. So with that, we finally come to the end of the video. We hope that this was informative, and let us know your views in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe to us for more content like this, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another content update from us. Until next time, folks, we'll see you later.